Welcome guys. In this lesson we will learn how to design a CV. How to design CV in Microsoft Office or MS Word. So come to MS Word. First click this one. Now go to page layout and size. I choose in A4. So and then come insert tab. So first now I go to shapes. So select rectangle. When select rectangle, draw rectangle. Come here. So now scroll this, click this one, click in here or draw. So now a little down, change the color, click on this, come to format. So come to format, choose shapefile. Shapefile I select in this color, outline, non-outline. So when you click this one, so now come to shapes, select circle or ellipse, drag in here. So click on this. I want come to picture in this one. Come to shapefile, picture, work offline. So work offline. Now I come here, desktop. So come to here, click on this, insert. Okay, so click on this. Now come to shape outline. Wait, it's a little great. Click in here, white. Come to here, white. No, so the background color is this. Sorry, Control Z. So click on here. So when click in here, go to edit shape, click on edit point, click in here, point, this one is draw, click in here and also come here the point. So click in this one, click the shapes, come here. So click on this one. I want a little small. So this is good. So now for text, go to insert tab, go shapes, select text box. I write here about me there. Come Masawi REND equal REND parenthesis, this one. So click in here, come to file, no file. Okay, outline, no outline. So I want this text to come center. Control E, press Control E, Control V, bold. For color, come to home, click in here, white. Okay, so now I select the text, click in white. So Control A, click in white. when I click on this, now I come to like, now I little draw, it's enough. So for more details, now come to click in here, copy this one, Control plus D, Control A, contact me. Now come to learn and enter, Control E. So this is contact me. Contact me, first phone, sorry, so first contact me, Control E. Now come here. So first phone, double dot, email, double dot, address, double dot, or Facebook, double dot, LinkedIn. So select all the text, sorry, click in here, now little draw, select all the text, Control L press, okay. So come left, in here I will write 07955, this is that, this is phone number. So email is abid.sinzai at gmail.com, So address is USA, say. So Facebook is www.kgf.com. So LinkedIn account, so www.abedsinzai123.com. So click in here, go to up. So now I'm writing a little more information. So click in here, copy this one, select this one. So selecting this one, right, familiarity. So now I come here, select all these text, Masawi R&D, parent, one paragraph, enter. So when I write this one, I am click here, one copy other, Control plus D press. So selecting this one is scale, okay. So scale, so the title is a little large, come here, select this one, a little large. So I come up, select this one, large, select large. If you want increase the size of text, by the shortcut you can press Control plus Shift plus greater than. So this is what. Now I can insert. So now I come insert, go to shapes, and select this one, Control Shift plus drag, select this one. I come shape outline, in here a little greater than. So click in this one, draw circle. So Control Shift or this one. So select all these shapes, come to shape file, So click in this one, come to shape file, or select this one, also change the color, click in here, click, select the shapes, and color is this one, background color is that, or outline is also that. So click on this shape, outline is that. So now I'm select all the shapes, select this one, shift, select this, or select this circle, control plus shift, copy this one. Okay, now come to here, copy this one. So come here and also copy. So this is a little small, click in, so draw a little, so click in here or come here. So click this one, shift, press shift a little, so select the shapes, come in here. So this is to this format. Okay, so now I come about of personal information. So click the text box and control plus depress. Okay, so come here, control A, so I write the name of this person, Mr. Smith. So the job is web and graphic designer. So I'll load this, control A, control E, center. So I'm a little like, come to click on the text box, come to shape format. Okay, so in here I will do background, so click in here and draw this, control A, control E press करें, control E. Okay, so Mr. Smith I1 is increasing the size. So I want a little spacing, I want give a little space, control A press, home tab. So I using line spacing, remove space after paragraph and select that. So now I come here, select this one, come here, a little large, control A, come to home tab, go to text formatting and select this. So for that now increasing the size, control A, control L. Okay, so that is good. So select the text, control J means justify. So now I'm a little large this one. So this about me, no, about of, so 1 minute. So about of experience, so this experience, right? So click also in here, control shift, this is computer skill. Okay, select this also. So in here you can write other information, you can write, no problem. if you want to make uh, a beautiful or fantastic CV, you have need ChatGPT. You can ask from ChatGPT, how can I make professional CV, but the design is that design is good from other design. It's very professional design. So now I come select this one. Select this one. In here award means work experience. Experience. Okay, so now I give a little design and come here. So shift, select this one or this, control plus shift, sorry, control Z. First select the line, shift, circle or this ellipse, control plus shift plus greater than. If you wanna copy the all this of that, so come here. Now go to up, click in here or this one. So only click on this, click and go and bring here. Okay, so select this one, shift this one or this one. Now come to bottom, control shift using this one. So now I come here, also copy for that. So now I want to change the color. Okay, select this ellipse, lines and this ellipse, okay, select also this ellipse, select this one, select this one, come to up, select this circle, line or this one. So come to format, go to shape file. Okay, so I gave the black color, format background or this one also. See, it's a good design. So click on this, a little small, and here is a little good. Okay, so now I go to file menu, export. I wanna PDF, create PDF, create XPS or PDF. Select location, desktop. So first one is ADS. Okay, publish. Now you can see the result. See the result. Inshallah, it will become is very professional CV. So control plus minus, this is a CV. The design is very beautiful, but if you wanna change of any experience or other purposes, you can write here. I only show or it I only want it will be shown the design. Okay, so the design is professional and very beautiful. So guys, please don't forget like, share and subscribe. It's very beautiful CV. Thanks a lot.